Hi lovelies, welcome back. Today I'm going to make a DIY exfoliating scrub along with two masks which are made up with simple ingredients, but they are very beneficial if you use them twice a week. So let's begin. To start up with this, you have to tie your hair properly. For this I'm going to use this hairband, and then I'm going to remove my makeup. So I'm going to use this cotton to remove my makeup, and I'm going to use this micellar cleaning water to remove my makeup. So I'm going to add a few drops, then I'm going to remove my makeup, and after this I'm going to wash my face with face wash or simple water. You can see that all my blush on, lipstick and all the makeup is removed within the minutes. Here is all the base and dust. So now I came after washing my face. So now let's make the exfoliation scrub. So for that we need only simple ingredients that will cleanse your skin deeply and will brighten and lighten your skin as well. First thing we need is coffee. So we are going to take one big spoon of coffee, 1 teaspoon of sugar, one big spoon of rice flour, little bit of water. Now I'm going to mix it. As you can see that it has a granular and it has a thick peak, so it is going to exfoliate this because it has a granular texture. This is going to deep cleanse your skin and also exfoliate your dead skin and clean out your skin deeply. As you can see that I have applied this coffee scrub all over my face. It has a granular texture and you can feel while applying it on your face. So after applying this coffee scrub, now I'm going to exfoliate my skin with light hands. Now I will scrub my face in a circular motion around my cheeks, my nose area and forehead in order to exfoliate my skin properly. Stucking the dust or dust particles. I have washed my face with water after scrubbing it for 3 minutes in circular motion, and you can notice that my face is looking more softer, hydrated and cleansed than before. Now for second mask I required tomatoes and raw milk. So I'm going to cut slices of tomato, then I'm going to dip it in milk, and then I'm going to rub it all over my face. So here we go. I'm going to put it in this so that it dissolves the milk, and then I'm going to rub it all over my face. It will also help to cleanse your skin and will also tighten your skin. So rub it all over your face. Tomatoes are also very good for your skin. So I'm going to dip it again. Rub it all over my face. can notice that a glow and the shininess in my face. So it will make your skin brighter and shiny and glowy as well, and deep cleanse your skin. So now let's go jump to our last mask. So it also contains 2 simple ingredients. Let's begin. For this I'm going to use a pure raw honey. So I'm going to take 1 spoon of honey, and then I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric into it. Only a pinch or that much. As you can see that I'm going to put this. Now I'm going to mix it well. Both the ingredients are so good for you.
Then I applied this honey mask with the help of this brush.
As you can see that my skin look really glossy, cleansed and hydrated. So do try these masks once or twice a week, and you will see the visible improvement in your skin. So do try these DIY mask and exfoliating scrub, and I will see you in my next video. Keep watching my videos, and please consider subscription if you find this helpful. Bye.